Hey there, I'm Chef Lauren Zobac, and I've been lucky enough to be invited back by the Northarvest Bean Growers Association to play with some beans. Today, we're gonna make a 3-bean salad. For this recipe, we will need 3 cans of beans of your choosing. Today, we're gonna use small red beans, great northern beans, and some dark red kidney beans. Once these are rinsed and drained, we're gonna add them to our additional ingredients. In this bowl, I have a half of a white onion, thinly sliced, a handful of rough chopped parsley, and 2 cups of blanched beans. If you are unfamiliar with blanching is cooking those beans really briefly in some nice hot salted water and then shocking them in ice water in order to prevent them from cooking further. This will keep those beans nice and bright green and crispy crunchy through the salad. Okay. The dressing in this recipe is a very traditional Southern dressing. It consists of white onions, salt, sugar, white vinegar, and some vegetable oil. We're gonna go ahead and blitz this together and then slowly emulsify it with our vegetable oil. If you didn't catch all those ingredients, that's okay. They'll all be in the description below. There we go. You'll know this dressing's done when you've incorporated the oil and it's fully mixed in without it separating. The salad may not take all of this dressing, so we're gonna add it a little bit at a time just to make sure everything is evenly coated. Additionally, this salad, in my opinion, is much tastier after it's had a bit of time for all those flavors to marry. I like to make sure I dress this salad about an hour out before I'm going to serve it, if not a little bit longer. It gives those beans a chance to suck up all the flavors in that dressing. There you go. As you can see, we do have a little bit of extra dressing. No worries, it's great on other salads. After we've allowed this salad to sit and marinate for about an hour, it's ready to serve. We can serve this just as is, or you're welcome to add more vegetables to it and stretch it for a more hearty and more substantial salad. There you have it, 3-bean salad, high in protein and delicious. Bon appetit.